Welcome to RoboCraze, a 3 ampere DC to DC buck converter, which gives a desired step-down output for the given input. It has an inductor, diode, capacitor, switch, and error amplifier with a switch control circuitry. It has a potentiometer to control the output voltage. Now let's see a demonstration of the buck converter. Here, as you can see, when we vary the voltage, the speed of the wheel varies as well. Below the wheel is the motor which is connected to the output of the buck converter, and in series of that connection we have connected a multimeter to see the change in voltage. A buck converter works by varying the time for which the inductor receives energy from the source. As you can see, the wheel is now running at full speed. Now slowly we will decrease the voltage. So this was the DC to DC buck converter. Thanks for watching.